Hey there, awesome teens! Today, we're diving into a topic that's not covered in your textbooks but is crucial for navigating the real world: financial literacy. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets, what school doesn't teach you about money. So, whether you're saving up for your first car, planning for college, or just want to be a money-savvy teenager, these tips are your golden ticket. Let's jump in. Number 1, the power of budgeting. You just got your first paycheck. What now? The first thing school might not teach you is the power of budgeting. Instead of spending impulsively, create a budget. List your income, like allowance or earnings, and then track your expenses, things like outings with friends, gadgets, or that daily coffee fix. Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going and ensures you have enough for the things that matter. Imagine you're a teenager with a part-time job. Create a budget by listing your income and tracking your expenses. Allocate money for essential things like school supplies, outings with friends, and saving for future goals. By budgeting, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going and ensure you're making the most of it. Number 2, emergency funds, your financial safety net. Now, let's talk about financial safety nets. Imagine your phone suddenly decides to take a swim, or your laptop calls it quits during an important project. That's where emergency funds come in. School might not emphasize the importance of having money set aside for unexpected expenses. Start by putting a small amount into a separate savings account regularly. This fund acts as your financial safety net when life throws curveballs your way. Now, picture yourself facing an unexpected expense, like a broken phone. With emergency funds in place, you can handle such situations without stressing your finances. Having a financial safety net ensures that you're prepared for unexpected twists and turns, allowing you to navigate through challenges with ease. Number 3, the magic of compound interest. Compound interest, it's like a secret weapon for your money. Imagine you stash away a bit of money regularly. Over time, you not only earn interest on your initial savings but also on the interest you've already earned. It's a snowball effect that can turn small contributions into significant savings. School might not delve into this magic, but understanding compound interest can be a game changer in building wealth over the long term. Let's talk about the magic of compound interest in action. Imagine you start investing a small amount regularly, perhaps in a low-cost index fund. Over time, the power of compound interest kicks in, and your money grows not just from your contributions but also from the interest it earns. Understanding this concept early on can set you on the path to financial success. Number 4, credit cards, friend or foe. Credit cards, they can be a double-edged sword. Imagine you're tempted by that shiny piece of plastic offering instant gratification. School might not warn you about the pitfalls. While credit cards offer convenience, they can also lead to debt if not used wisely. Always pay your credit card bill in full each month to avoid interest charges. Use them responsibly, and you'll build a positive credit history, setting the stage for financial success. Now, let's explore responsible credit card use. Imagine you're a teenager with your first credit card. Use it wisely by making small, manageable purchases and paying the bill in full each month. This responsible approach not only helps you build a positive credit history but also avoids falling into the debt trap. Number 5, investing for the future. Investing, it's not just for adults with suits and ties. Imagine you want to grow your money beyond a savings account. School might not introduce you to the world of investing. Start small with things like stocks or index funds. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Imagine you're a teenager with a keen interest in investing. Explore opportunities in the stock market or consider investing in low-cost index funds. Starting early gives your money more time to grow, and investing becomes a powerful tool in achieving your financial goals, whether it's saving for college or future adventures. Number 6, negotiation skills, a key to financial success. Negotiation, it's not just for buying a car or house. Imagine you're negotiating your first salary or a deal on a used car. School might not emphasize the importance of negotiation skills. Learn to articulate your value, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Negotiation is a key skill that can impact your financial success throughout life. Now, picture yourself negotiating your first job offer. Research industry standards, know your worth, and confidently articulate your value. Negotiating for fair compensation not only boosts your income but also sets a precedent for your future career negotiations. Number 7. The side hustle advantage. Side hustles, they're not just for adults juggling multiple jobs. Imagine you have a passion or a skill that can earn you extra cash. School might not encourage you to explore your entrepreneurial side. Whether it's tutoring, freelancing, or selling handmade crafts, a side hustle not only boosts your income but also teaches you valuable lessons about money and business. Finally, let's dive into the world of side hustles. Imagine you have a passion for graphic design. Turn that passion into a side hustle by offering design services to friends or small businesses. A side hustle not only earns you extra income but also hones your entrepreneurial skills, setting you on a path of financial empowerment. Number 8. Mindful spending habits. Mindful spending, it's like a superpower for your wallet. Imagine you're at the mall faced with tempting displays. School might not teach you to pause and ask yourself if that impulse purchase is really necessary. Practice mindful spending by distinguishing between wants and needs. It's a simple yet effective way to avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters to you. So, there you have it, your crash course in financial literacy that school might not cover. The essentials that school might miss but are vital for your financial journey. Whether you're saving for the latest tech gadget, planning for college, or just want to be financially independent, these tips are your roadmap. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share your own financial tips in the comments below. Until next time, take charge of your financial journey, and remember, the more you know about money, the more money can work for you. See you, guys.